Boom, welcome to the Simple Speaker channel. I am Simple Speaker. I am your guide to cleaning business success. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the bell notification. We drop videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 p.m. Now, if you're someone that's been on this channel and watching the video, thank you for supporting. If you're new or old to this channel, be sure to watch all the previous videos as well. At the end of this video, if you got value from the video, you felt the passion or the effort I put in to give you value, give me a thumbs up. It means the world to me. Now, as well, you can comment below whenever you're ready to comment. Maybe you have a comment or a question, feel free to comment below. Excuse me, I just had some coffee. Long night, trying to get out these videos to you guys. I love you guys dearly. Now, in the details of this video, you have two links. You can click the school community link where you can join our free community where we talk about how to start, automate, and scale a remote cleaning business. As well, you can click the one-on-one consultation link, book one with me if you're looking to start a remote cleaning business. Maybe you're looking to pay off school debts. Maybe you're looking to put money into your child's college fund. Maybe you are looking to travel with your family once or twice a year. Book with me on how to start a remote cleaning business, so we can talk about that as well. And you know, a lot of people don't know that, but it's a lot of 9-to-5ers that start, you know, a remote cleaning business. They have their job and they start a remote cleaning business. Or maybe you're trying to go to entrepreneurship full time. It is up to you. We'll get you going. So once again, I want to say thank you guys for being here as I talk to you guys today about a very important topic. I want to talk about a referral system that brings in reoccurring clients, right? So the beautiful thing about referrals is that when you get referrals, you're technically not paying for a lead, right? If you get a lead from Google, there is a lead cost, right, for every lead that you get. Or if you get a lead for Thumbtack, there's a lead cost for that as well. But when you get a lead from when you get a lead from a referral, when you get a lead from a referral, technically the lead is technically free, right? Because someone kind of just gave you the referral. And especially when you service that person, it's very important to turn them into a reoccurring client, because now we can really extract the most amount of value from that client. Once again, I forgot to actually add in the beginning of this video as we get into this some information I have for you guys. If you stay to the end of the video, I do have a bonus tip that I will be giving you guys at the end of this video. Let's get into it. So referral systems that bring in reoccurring clients. One, ask at the right time. A big mistake is asking for reoccurring clients randomly or months later. Let me tell you guys now, I have made that mistake, right? I have serviced a client or a referral client and tried to convert them to a reoccurring client months later. And it's the worst thing you can ever do, right? It is better to get them to kind of convert over to a reoccurring client right after you do a successful clean, or right after they give you a compliment, a 5-star review, right? Or even after converting them into a reoccurring, right? So a couple things I want to talk about as well. First, when you're asking them when you're converting them to a reoccurring client, right, it's better to do it right after a successful clean. Now, when you're asking people to give you a referral, it's better to do that as well right after a successful clean, right? So there are two things that you can go for right after a successful clean. You can go to converting him into a reoccurring client, and then you can go for action for a referral. Now, the point of this video is the referral system, right? The point of this video is how can we get referrals from clients? How can we get referrals from clients that return them into reoccurring clients? So we're talking about referral systems, right? And so it's hard actually to sit there and ask any client for a referral or converting them into a reoccurring client when you're doing it randomly or months later, right? It's better to do both of them when you're doing it right after the cleaning has been done. So when you're asking for a referral, right, so we can bring in more reoccurring clients, try to ask for a referral directly after the cleaning is done. Try to ask for a referral directly after the cleaning is done, as well as when we converting them into reoccurring clients. Try to do that, or you should be shooting to do that right after the cleaning is done, right after they compliment the service and give you that 5-star review. Now, as well, you can incentivize reoccurring, not one time, right? You don't want referrals that book once and disappear. So what happens is when you get referrals, you want to have structures in place where you can incentivize them. Maybe a $50 to $100 credit when your referrals signs up for reoccurring, right? So when you have someone that when you have a referral from a client, right? A referral from a client, a friend, maybe the realtor. If you look at my previous video, we talked about realtors as well. You can offer $50 to $100 credit to them for signing up to be a reoccurring client. You can offer that $50 to $100 credit when your referral signs up for a reoccurring, right? So you want to motivate them, you want to incentivize them to turn into reoccurring clients, right? So $50 to $100 helps someone. When even adding on free add-ons like a fridge or oven if they book a reoccurring visit. So if you get a referred client, my apologies, it's late night. If you get a referred client, right? If they book a reoccurring client, incentivize them with an add-on. Give them a free fridge, a free oven, free baseboard, right? Maybe there's something in the property that they want it done, an extra add-on. You can even ask them, hey, we'll give you a free add-on. What would you like? You can give them the option of picking as well. Another thing you could do is discount their next clean once a referral completes the first job. So if you get a referral, right, and they complete that first job, you get a referral and they end up booking with you, discount their next clean, right? I always talk about that, especially to turn them into reoccurring clients. Add a discount to their next booking. It usually works very well. And last but not least, make referring frictionless, right? If people want to be able to refer clients to you, right, make it very simple. If it's easier, the more it happens, right? A referral link is perfect. A quick text is perfect. If you have a quick graphic, a quick flyer, a QR code, we want to remove, actually, my apologies, we want to remove the barrier that it may take for a client to be able to refer us another client, right? We want to make it as simple and as easy as possible, bro. So when we're doing that, we want to make sure that we can make it frictionless, right? I would say a referral link is easy, right? A referral link is something where they can just send it. Because let's say they sent the QR code, obviously the client will have to scan it. I think a simple referral link is perfect. They send it over, right? And the client can book through the referral link. And even the beauty of this is, let's say they send a client says referral link to another client they're referring. You can even add maybe some type of a discount code to that link, so that client that books, the client that referred you another client, let's say the client they referred your business to, once they click the link and book, they can get like a discount to the booking as well, right? So and that's how you can combine that incentive with making it easy, right? We want to be able to combine this so that the referred client can actually book with us as well. Now, with that being said, sorry, give me a second, y'all. With that being said, actually, I want to actually go into the bonus. I want to get right into it. Quick bonus tip here, because you stayed to the end of the video. Your advantage is system. Look, when we're running a remote cleaning business, the advantage that we have, going back to if you watch my other videos, I talked about it. The advantage that we have in a remote cleaning business is to be able to work on systems and automations, right? Because we'll just work from the laptop. Your advantage is systems. Automate referral tracking in your CRM, right? So you can find a way to automate where you can have it where referral links are just sent out. So after a client just automatically books and completes a cleaning, you can send out a referral link to them that they can send when they want to refer clients to you. So you can send referral reminders quarterly, letting people know, hey, if you refer us, we'll give the client that you referred us to a discount, and we'll give you a discount as well. Excuse me. You could run referral month campaigns. So, right, if you want to send out emails quarterly or monthly, you can run that referral month campaign where each month there's an email or text that goes out where it's like, hey, if you refer this person, we'll give them a discount and we'll give you a discount on the cleaning, incentivizing both parties, which is perfect, right? And track top tier referring clients. If you have a client that refers you multiple clients, in my opinion, give them a deep clean for free. Give them a clean for free, right? So, yes, you can discount them, but you really want to incentivize them to keep going, right? Especially just being able to give them a clean for free. That would be perfect. Or what you could do is offer them a $100, $200 gift card. And so let's say the cleaning is $300, they're only paying $100 for the cleaning, right? And so even if it's just a matter of that $100 paying for the cleaner, right, that customer is still happy, right? Because we're not on-site cleaning, you can focus on structured follow-up. Once again, because we're not doing the cleaning, I talk about this in another previous video. That's why I said my videos stack upon each other, because they help you understand the next video. Because we're not working on the cleaning, that allows us to work on the back end of the business, right? So you can pretty much work on automating this system, right? Creating automations for sending out referral links to clients so that we can get more clientele, right? If you were doing the cleaning, this would be harder. You would have to sit here and stay up late night, and it would just take a long time to get this done. It's not impossible. Hear me out. It's not impossible, but it does make it harder than someone that wakes up in the morning, sends out the cleaners, and they have the rest of the day to work on systems like this. So I just wanted to talk about referral systems that bring in recurring clients. You know, I wanted to make sure I get that out there as well. Once again, you could go back in the video, pause the video, take notes, take pictures, right? And I make a lot of these videos, right? And a lot of the videos I make, I use these whiteboards here because I'm trying to have these notes here. Before, when I was making videos, I had my iPad and I was writing and everything, but like I'm trying to now have it where the information is there so you can write, take pictures, take notes. And then what you can do is take all of these pictures, put them in a folder, so that when you're starting your remote cleaning business, you already have notes and a foundation to work with, right? And so I have that up there for you guys as well. But once again, I want to say thank you for sticking to the end of this video. I appreciate it. Once again, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. We drop videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 p.m. If you are someone that's just been watching and keeping up, I want to say I appreciate you. Thank you for the support. Once again, if you really felt that I gave value in this video, please give a thumbs up. Comment in the comment section as well. If you have anything to comment, if you have any questions as well. If you go back to the details, join a free community. Book a one-on-one consultation. I am here to help you. I am here to help you. My business is already set up. Let me help you, right? And so I want to once again say thank you. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.